Hi, my name's Dr. Jason Kistler. I want to welcome you to Align Chiropractic. At Align Chiropractic, we focus on structural corrective chiropractic care. What that means is that our goal is to restore and maintain the normal structure or the normal alignment of the spine. Just as your body has normal physiology, meaning the way it's meant to function, such as blood pressure, temperature, and hormone levels, your body has a normal structure. Now, the further you stray from those norms, whether it's physiology or the structure, the more potential health outcomes or consequences there are going to be. When we look at the spine, it should be perfectly straight when you look at it from front to back. When you look at the spine from the side, it should have 3 curvatures in it, each roughly 40 to 45 degrees. When you have that normal structure, you put the normal amount of load bearing or pressure on the joints, and the joints are going to be able to function appropriately. When you stray from that normal structure, you put too much pressure on the joints, which will cause abnormal mobility, and it will cause compensatory problems with the surrounding soft tissues, leading to damage, inflammation, muscle spasms, and other outcomes that could cause neck pain, back pain, and other symptoms. Whenever you have normal structure, you will have normal function of the spine. The normal functions of the spine are to be able to allow us to be erect, to allow us to move, and to serve as attachment points for various soft tissues, as well as protecting the nervous system, which is encased in the spine itself. Whenever you stray from the normal structure, it's going to impact the normal function. It will put abnormal pressure or load bearing on the joints of the spine, which will lead to those joints deteriorating or wearing out much quicker than they ought to, which we call arthritis. Altering the normal structure of the spine will also impact the surrounding soft tissues. For example, the muscles and the ligaments and the discs and the joint capsules. Whenever we do that, it can damage those soft tissues, which can set you up for either acute pain syndromes, such as sprains and strains, or chronic pain syndromes that can last for years or decades. One of the most important jobs of the spine is to surround and protect the spinal cord and the nerves that carry signals from the brain out to the body. Whenever there are spinal deformities or structural problems with the spine, it impacts that normal communication, which can lead to something called dysautonomia. What that means is abnormal nerve function, which can affect the body in a multitude of ways. At Align Chiropractic, our goal is to find the underlying reason why you're dealing with the problems that you have. For example, if you have back pain, you could take a medication, you could do some stretches, you could rest it, you could get a massage, and while there's a time and a place for all of these things, none of those things are going to correct an underlying structural issue that's the root of the back pain to begin with. So our goal is to find the underlying problem and correct that to the best of our ability, which is going to help you in the short term, but also in the long term, going to ensure that this isn't a chronic issue that you're dealing with for the rest of your life. Normal structure of the spine, when you look at it from the front, the spine should be perfectly straight and the pelvis should be level with the floor. When you look at the spine from the side, there should be 3 curvatures, each roughly 40 to 45 degrees. There are many reasons why the spine might not be in its normal structure. Everything from big traumas, such as car accidents, slips and falls, sporting injuries, as well as small repetitive stress and traumas, such as sitting for long periods, driving for long periods, and using technology. If you'd like to learn more about what we do here in the office, or if you would like to schedule an appointment, give us a call at 484-318-7921. My name's Dr. Jason Kistler at Align Chiropractic, and I look forward to meeting you soon.